Alula Kids TV. Let's have fun learning English. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.